Good morning, everyone. Our lesson today is question 6 from Haikal or from exam of trimester 3. The question here comes multiple choice questions. An object is dropped from height of 80 feet. Okay, determine here, identify initial value. The question y at 0, also y prime at 0, what is the answer? We have an object dropped from any object, maybe ball, any object. Yes, go down from, this is the height. This is y prime. Here, y at 0 in the beginning, 8 feet. This is the answer. Okay? And y prime, initial velocity, also 0. The question maybe comes A, B, C, D. This is here, y equals 0, y prime at 0 equals 80. This is maybe here, y at 0 equals 80, y prime at 0 equals 0, and so on. Which one is right? This. Okay, this is the choice is right. Okay. Question, an object is released from a height 20 with downward velocity of 4 feet per second. Okay, also the same. This is an object released down. Okay, but we have here, y at 0 equals, yes, 20 feet or feet. Y prime at 0 equals negative 4 feet per second. Be careful, because down, the question maybe here comes as a multiple choice, A, B, and so on. Just I put it here just two choices, but to know how the question comes in the final exam. Maybe here, y at 0 equals 20, y prime at 0 equals 4. But here, y at 0 equals 20, y prime at 0 equals negative 4. Which one is right? B. Be careful. Okay. This is the question. Let's move another questions. Question 5 to 7. I select two questions. Question 5. A diver drops from 30 feet above the water. A diver, this is diver, drop from, this is here, this is the diver, go down, this is the surface of the water here. Okay, this is the height, this is, we can write h null or h at 0 or h null, this is equals 20 or 30 feet. Yes. Okay. Above the footer of Olympic platform, dive. What is the diver velocity at impact? When the diver hits the water, what is its velocity? This is the question. It's easy now here. We can use the second law of Newton. This is, I think, right. A at t equals negative 32 feet per second square. We need here for the question, what is the velocity? Velocity, yes, yes, we can write here h prime at t equals, this is, or v of t, this is equals a of t times t plus v null of phenol. Yes, that's it. It's easy. Just substitute. This is phenol. I think uh, in the beginning, phenol equals 0. Okay, everything is ready. Negative 32t plus 0. This is h prime of t or v velocity at any time. Okay, but we need also the height. The height at any time, this is equals half a t times t square plus uh, v null at t plus h null. Everything is ready. Now we can write this is equals half times negative 32 t square plus phenol 0. This is 0. Okay, plus h null. In the beginning, h null equals 30 plus 30 plus 30. This is okay. This is equal negative 16 t square plus 30. This is the height at any time. But when the diapher hits the water, the height equals 0, right? Is at diapher hits water, then h at any, this is equals 0, the height equals 0. This is, you can solve this equation, negative 16 t square plus 30 equals 0. This is, I think, t square equals negative 30 over negative 16. This is, I think, equals negative equals 6 over, yes, divided by 2, 15 over 8, right? This is, then t equals positive or negative radical 15 over 8. We can select the positive because the time isn't negative, be negative. Okay, this is equals radical 15 over 8. You can use calculator. This is radical, yes, 15 over 8. The answer is, this is equals 1.36 second. 1.36 seconds need to hit the diapher hits the water. But the question, what is the diapher velocity? Just substitute this time in the h prime at any time. This is equals, I think, negative 32 t, negative 32 t. Just substitute this here. The time, this is equals negative 32 times 1.36 to give the answer. Negative 32 times, negative 32 times 1.36. The answer is negative 43.5. Negative 43.5 feet per second. This is the the question maybe comes in the final exam, multiple choice. A, B, C, D velocity equals negative 43.5 feet per second, 43.5 feet per second, maybe here 1.36, maybe here I think 40 feet per second square, feet per second. Which one is right? Which one is right? A, the first one. Okay, thank you for watching video. We'll see you inshallah in the next video. واضح